If you were going to create a painting with this lovely little lavender ground cover, how would you begin? And what I would want to try to illustrate just a little bit, there is a clump here, a clump here, and a clump here. That forms a triangle. So if you were building a composition, maybe you have other flowers and you were going to add this to the base of it, you would consider the geometry of those clumps. Now if I come down a little closer, of course we have a completely different viewpoint. So if I were doing a horizontal painting, I might position them in this way. You can see your vantage point changes everything, the direction you are looking. Let's go down here and see the little bumblebee. I think this is a carpenter bee. I think we'll investigate that a little bit more this way. He is a busy bee, right? His friends are buzzing around my head. So I hope you will enjoy adding a little lavender into your life in your painting. See you soon.